Feel it building deep inside. Every second amplified. No escape and no retreat. Only pressure, only heat. Every corner slowing me, but I push relentlessly. Every line I take is tight, holding on with all my might. No more easy, no more free. Every gain is earned by me. Every inch I fight to gain. Every loss becomes my pain. Hold it, don't break now. Feel it rising now. Rising pressure, feel it grow. Every second pushing slow. No more waiting, no release. I just grind until I reach. Rising pressure, breaking through every limit that I knew. Even when it drags me down, I will never turn around. Still I push it through the strain. Every step is carved in pain. No more stopping, no delay. I keep climbing anyway. Every second adding weight upon my motion. Every move is driven by a deep devotion. No more shortcuts, no more easy